Obviously, I know everything there is to know about hair these days. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna ruin some hair. Except today we're not ruining my disgusting hair, as you can tell. That's just, it's not okay. Nothing about my hair right now is okay, but I'm too poor to get it done at the salon right now. And I have to do it at the salon at this point. If you guys have watched any of my videos, like, it needs to be done or I'm gonna literally destroy my hair. So I thought, what better way than to ruin my boyfriend's hair.
She's nervous. Because she's working in front of her man.
We're dating.
You're getting married on Saturday, so then your 50-year anniversary could be for 2069.
Hi, I'm James.
Our roots are kind of, I mean, it's kind of the same. I used 40 volume on my hair when I completely bleached it, but this isn't my hair. I don't want to completely damage it. So we're going to use the Salon Care. This is the 30 volume, and then I'm going to use the Prism. So I'm going to use the violet one. There's a violet and I believe a blue. The violet cancels out like the yellow tones, and then the blue one does all the orange ones. We're gonna just fill it up. That's probably a lot. This honestly isn't that deep. I feel like I'm gonna do this whole packet, but I kind of want to do it as we go. So we're just gonna, nope, I accidentally put the whole thing in there. And it looks like this. I think I put way too much. Let me see if you guys can see this. So I think I put way too much of the developer in it, but we will see. We're doing this kind of consistency, and my camera is already gonna die, so we're just gonna literally start to apply it. I forgot my tripod, so I can't really angle it the right way, but he's letting me bleach his whole entire head. First thing we're gonna do is, don't do this at home. I'm gonna be working from the ends. There's really no technique. When I did my own hair, I kind of sectioned it off into like 5 different parts so I didn't over process my hair. But as you can see, he has no hair. So we're just, I don't know, I'm just starting at the ends so people can see the work. So if you want to take a look, Tiffany, it's already lifting. I'm doing this very unprofessionally. This is really bad. This is not what you do at a hair salon. Thank God my boyfriend lets me ruin his hair, and he said if it falls off, I don't care. Don't come to my hair salon. We're just, you know, how do you feel right now? Ew. So all of you might have like a slight heart attack, but I had to rinse out some of the bleach because it was sitting for too long. Like I said, when I did my hair, I did it in sections. So obviously I don't know how to work with guys' hair when it comes to all this. None of this right here, even this really touched bleach. It was just time to kind of rinse it out, but I feel like it got pretty blonde in a lot of places. Keep in mind, still gotta put the toner on, but I'm just gonna go in with all these little pieces, go over just some of the dark pieces, and then we will see what the finished result looks like. My lighting's always messed up, but this is pretty much how it looks like with all the bleach. I haven't toned it yet or anything, and honestly, not gonna lie, pretty good compared to how, you know, when I did mine really poorly. It's kind of like spotted in the back. I know it's hard to tell with the lighting, but I think this is pretty good. I feel like if I left the bleach on longer, it would have honestly turned it white. Like at the roots, it's pretty much honestly white. You don't even need a toner, but there are parts where it looks really golden. So now we're gonna do the toner, and I'm gonna show you guys the toner that I'm using. So it's just this Wella Charm in T11. It's called Lightest Beige Blonde, and I'm just gonna mix it with the 20 Cream Developer. Do you see this, guys? Yeah, hairdresser who? Just, I mean, it's like not even yellow anymore. So I brought my filming light out so you guys can kind of see like a little bit of the blonde, just because I have crappy lighting all over my house and it's dark outside, so I can't show you in like natural lighting, but I'm gonna show you the finished result. Oh my god. Okay, my bed is really messy and just there's stuff everywhere, but this is the blonde turn. Ooh. So that's how it kind of looks like. It's a little bit more I don't want to say yellowy in person, but it doesn't look as silvery as it does on camera. But other than that, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I feel like a lot of you guys are always going to roast me. That's just what happens anytime I do my hair, but I think I did good. Did I not? I thought about going over a little bit in the back, but I didn't want it to look too perfect. Like I like kind of like the whole messiness. But yeah, that is pretty much the result.
Get crazy, get wild.